Welcome to Oakview House. Situated on a no-free road to the north of Taunton is this impressive 4/5 bedroom detached family home, having recently undergone a full comprehensive refurbishment throughout and benefiting from a large private rear garden. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this fantastic home, maybe evaluation room, see, then please do get in touch.